Hello, this is my quick review of this 4-pack solar garden light, and thanks to the seller providing it to me so I can test it out and share my overall thoughts with you. And right off the bat, I want to mention that this user manual is actually very easy to read, very easy to understand. It all came in this compact box, and assembly is like super easy. So we already put one together, planning to put 3 more together, and then we can just go put them outside, let them charge for a while, and then show you the end result. And one of the things I also want to mention it for you that here is actually 2 different pieces and they all connected right here in the middle. So if you don't like them to be super tall and you want them a little bit short, you can just simply don't use this part. Some of the point of the solar lights I want to mention that I actually absolutely love their design. It's very modern, they're very slim. So you can see the solar part right here on the top. And another good point is this stake. You can see it actually goes right in the ground and it's very heavy duty. So I want to show you the difference. So you get a pack of 4 of them and you can choose your configuration the way it's more fits your space. Like for example, right here we have a daylily. You can see they're very tall. So I really love the option to put 2 of these poles together. And another point, look at that. If it's windy, they really nicely sway from side to side, back and forth. And here, as you can see, we already prepared with screwdriver a little bit hole right in the ground, so it's very easy to push it right there. And the shorter pole, as you can see right here, works pretty well in this space for us because here we have shorter plants around, so it actually can stand out. So yeah, let's actually wait while it gets dark and I'll show you how it looks at night. And here how my yard looks at night. You can actually see that's very, very dark. And we're planning to install our lights tomorrow, so we can actually show you the end result and how much it will lead our space. And here how this light looks like at night. You can see they're all very shiny. And I can turn on my light for a second and show it to you. Look how much light they're giving. Look how bright they are. Absolutely love it. Highly, highly recommend to check them out. Thanks for watching.